Hello everyone. Last time we spoke about IELTS, the mandatory exam that you have to write if you wish to migrate to certain countries. I had inquiries from all the subtests, but majorly people were here to clear their doubts on writing. For all of you who are able to nail through all other subtests, writing is a big problem. So today I'll share some tips and tricks regarding writing section. When it comes to writing section, there are two things that you have to manage. One is quality, another is time. You basically get an entire hour, 60 minutes to attempt two tasks. One is a letter, another is an essay. Average, you should take 20 minutes for the letter and 40 minutes for the essay. 20 minutes for 150 words of the letter, 40 minutes for 250 words of the essay. Now, how can you manage time? Whenever you are writing, whenever you're trying to write something that it relates to the practice of the exam, stopwatch is your thing. Always keep your stopwatch on. Always keep checking how much time you're taking. Quality management. Now, when it comes to your draft, you should always be careful of one thing. If your tense is going haywire, it is not going to help you. First thing, your tense and your sentence structure should be properly done. Then later, you have to drop in vocabulary. But when it comes to vocabulary, it should not look like you took a bucket full of vocabulary words and it just dropped there. You have to be very careful that the entire draft, it should look like a synchronized document. Also, when it comes to IELTS, there are certain criteria which you have to take care while writing. It should look like you have properly demarcated the entire thing. There should be an introduction, there should be a main body, there should be a conclusion. When you draft it properly and manage your time, it is no big deal to crack the writing section as well. Call us, talk to us, and get your consultation absolutely free.